Hello and welcome to Tech and Travel. In this video, we're going to look at two of the most popular colors that the M1 MacBook Air is available in: silver and space gray. The M1 chip beats performance benchmark in almost every metric. Whether it's a single core score or the multi-core score, it is far beyond performance of the previous generation. And as a result, it's pretty clear anyone looking for a performance laptop these days goes for a MacBook Air or Pro. The biggest question therefore is, which color would you go for? Would you go for space gray or silver, or would you fancy your chances with the gold color? So let's look at both silver and space gray side by side from three different angles. 1, the top cover; 2, the display edges; 3, the keyboard. As you can see, space gray is a lot more modern. It gives you that modern feel, while silver gives you the traditional MacBook and MacBook Air feel. It's just about which one you like. Both of them are gorgeous. It's down to individual preference. And here we have taken a few more shots to help you really understand what's happening and how do these colors compare versus each other. From the top cover, let's turn it around and move to the display edges. Now, as you can see here, both silver and space gray have dark black bezels. So in some ways, when you're looking at the display, it really doesn't matter. It's just the very thin outside edge, which is either space gray or silver. And for all practical purposes, while you're looking at the display, it really doesn't matter which color you've chosen. Next, now coming to the keyboard, we have space gray here first and then silver next. I'll leave you to judge this. My personal opinion here is that while there are subtle differences here and there, overall it really doesn't matter whether you're working on a space gray or silver. The keys are just as clear, and the contrast between space gray and black keys, as well as silver background and black keys, is just as clear as well. So now, having looked at the top cover, the display edges and the keyboard, let's go to our overall verdict. Now, if you look at logically, there isn't really much to choose between silver and space gray. It does come down to individual preferences. In my case, I just like the modern feel of space gray, and therefore I decided to go for space gray as opposed to silver. But yes, it will be down to individual preferences. So having looked at space gray and silver in specific detail and bring into picture the gold version as well, let us know your thoughts on which is your favorite color when it comes to MacBook Air. For more such unbiased reviews, And for the latest on tech and travel, subscribe to our channel Tech and Travel.